Hi there, welcome to today's coding challenge. Today we are continuing last time's coding challenge where I started to create this gift card app with PHP with the help of Chat GPT and GitHub Copilot. So right now we have this very terrible looking app which can list the gift cards that have been added, so they all have a card number and a balance. And then we can go to add gift card and we can add whatever amount we want and it will create a new gift card. And that gift card will get a new ID and a random card number and a balance. And then we can check the balance of a gift card by the number and it will tell us what the balance is. And then we can use whatever amount we want. So if we use $54 of this $654 gift card, then it will change the balance. So now in today's video, I would like to first of all style this a bit. It's very ugly. And then I want to be able to print PDFs from these gift cards with a barcode that I can then read and check the gift card by the barcode or QR code or something like that. But now let's style this thing first because it's very ugly. So let's try and use ChatGPT to style it. So let me just get the HTML of this page as it is rendered here. And should I start a new chat for this? Perhaps. And I will say, can you style this? Well, there's not that much to style here because like the header is just an H1 and then maybe there should be like a wrapper around the body or something. So let's say, can you add some HTML to this document so that it can be styled better with CSS? And then I'll just paste the whole thing there. Hopefully it's not too long. Add your CSS here, okay? So yeah, it added a header and it added a nav bar, okay? And then it added a main. That's good. Now I don't think it's gonna print out all of those elements because it usually stops short on these long ones. Okay, and it added a footer as well. Okay, so let's make those changes in the app. So it added a header and a nav and a main. That's all it did. Well, maybe that's enough. Let's go to index and we will make this the header. And let's add the main, and I need to move this into the main. And there was a nav as well. And I will move the menu include inside the nav. And then we have a footer as well, but there was nothing in the footer. It was to add a copyright 2016. Okay, so now this should not do anything except add the 2023 in here. So what should we do next? Now let's ask it to write some CSS. Can you make the app beautiful with CSS? Please print only the CSS part. All right. Arial font, that's very beautiful. I said, please only print the CSS, but then it says, for example, you can add it in the style tag, and then it will do all of this. But then it stops short. So let's copy this code and let's see if this is in fact beautiful. I will add here link rel Copilot. Thanks. And then here I will paste this and I will save this as style.css. So let's see what this looks like now. Refresh. Wow! This is actually pretty good. I didn't expect this. What the menu is over there? Wow. This is so good. This is much better than I thought, and much better than I would have done in 10 seconds. What? Okay. Now let's add some, I want some hover effects when I put the mouse on these menu items. I'm impressed. That was pretty good. Can you add some cool hover effect on the menu items? Transition. Okay, let's add this in the style. Well, that is very ugly. It changed only that part. So, okay. What I wanted to happen is that the whole top header would change color in that part, but it only changes that. That is not good. Can you style the menu elements so that they are the height of the whole header? All right, let's see what this does. So copy this code and I should paste it somewhere. Let's just put it there and let's see what happens now. Well, it's a bit better, but it moved to the wrong place now. That doesn't look good. Can you instead add 10 pixels of padding to the links on the sides and make them the height of the header? I think this display flex in the header will not work. That's why it moved in the middle. But let's see if I now add it in here. Yeah, it's still not correct. That moves the links in the middle of the screen. Can you move them back to the right side? Okay, let's see what this one does. I'll paste it here. Ha! It did move them, but they are still, the background is not big enough. Alright, I tried for like 10 minutes to make Chat GPT to add the hover effect on these links in the menu so that the background would change with the whole height of the header, but it does not seem to know how to do it. So let me try to do it myself. Let's inspect this element. What is wrong with this? So first of all, there's a padding in the header, so the nav element will not be the full size of the header. So what if I put background red here so I can see it? So now, I think that looks good. Now the footer should be in the bottom. That is always a difficult thing to do. Can ChatGPT solve this? Can you move the footer so that it will always be at the bottom of the screen? Well, I don't want always, only if, even if the content is too short. Absolute positioning, that's not what I want. Oh, absolute. Damn it. I've never thought of that. Does it work? Wait a minute. Does it actually work? If I put position bottom 0, that's not gonna work. It should be top 100%, then it's gonna work. Why did it add margin bottom? If I do this, then it goes there, but then it's gonna stay there. That's not gonna work. It works now, but when I have more items here, then it will stay there still, right? I add some line breaks here, then it will be like this. That's not what I want. I don't want to use position absolute. Alright, let's see what this does. I'm actually not that good with Flexbox. Not good at all. So let's take all of these out, and height is already that. Main has to be flex grow 1, and then HTML and body height 100%, and body has to be display flex. Let's see what this does. Well, it put it there, and let me add some line breaks here again. Great, that does what I want. Okay. So that looks pretty good. Now I would like this table to be always at the same height, same width. So can you make the tables inside the main be width 100%? Well, I can do this myself. So let's do that. It's 100% already. Ah, sorry. I should have said make a minimum width. Now it has a maximum width here. I will just do it the way I would do it. So maximum width will be 100% and width will be 800 pixels. So now if I go here, it's 800 pixels, but then if I make it smaller, it's gonna adjust. Okay. Perhaps ChatGPT is not the best for CSS. Admittedly, it is pretty difficult to do CSS, so I think I will leave it here. This looks pretty good. I will just center this text in the footer, and I will not use ChatGPT for this. Okay, that's good enough for me. So now we have the gift cards here, and we can go to add gift card. Now, this looks very ugly. Can you add some styling for form elements as well? Form with 300 pixels. Why should it be 300 pixels? I will just take these, because what is the reason for making 300 pixels wide form? Wow, that looks pretty good. Amount. Okay, that is good. All right, now we have a beautifully styled gift card app here, and it works. But now I want to create that PDF function. So I want to be able to download a PDF of the gift card. And I want to have a barcode or QR code or something on that gift card. Let's go back to our previous chat here, so maybe ChatGPT will remember what we have already done. And I will say, can you create a gift card PDF class that will generate a PDF of a gift card? Now, I'm very interested in how ChatGPT will solve this PDF problem. Okay, it will use FPDF. I have never used FPDF, I don't think. I usually use WebKit HTML to PDF. U, it ends with U. So what's next? Come on. Okay, so let's start by doing this. And let's create that class here in the source. New file, giftcardpdf.php. And paste it here. Now, I don't have FPDF, so let's do this first. Can you create a method for gift card PDF that outputs the PDF file? So I want to call it directly from gift card PDF. So I want to say something like PDF is new gift card PDF, and then I will give it the gift card. and then I want to say PDF output or print or something like this. Output file. Well, that's not really what I wanted. It's going to put it into a file. I don't want it into a file. But I think I could just use the create like it showed here. So I can use create and then output. So in fact, I can make my own function. Public function print. And it will do this. Amazing. GitHub Copilot. Very good. But then this is also a bit too complicated because now I have to say gift card is this. I don't want to do this. I want to just say print the PDF of this gift card. So I will say public static function print gift card. Kind of like that. Print by ID. Exactly. This is what I want. So I want to give it the ID and then it will print the gift card from that. So now I can just say somewhere gift card PDF print by ID and then I give the database and the ID. So this will just print out that PDF. And then I have to add a new page. Or this is not really a new page. This will be giftcard pdf.php. And then I have to require all the stuff. And then I will have to say gift card PDF print by ID, database, and get ID. And I have to add the header of PDF so that the file type will be PDF. Exactly this. Then I need to add the link. So if I have the gift cards, I need to add a row here for the link. Can you add a row, add a column to the gift card table, print PDF? I guess it will understand. It should be a link. I hope. It thought I meant the database table. Awkward. So it wants to save a blob of the PDF into the database. No. I meant the HTML table. Okay, now we're creating a table. But now it's doing it differently. Okay, let's copy this. And that is a better way. I would like to have it as the gift card object. Print PDF, but this will be gift card PDF. And I don't want to reference the card number. I want the ID. So I will put this here. And actually, I don't want to have the ID here. And I will make a target blank. So it will open in a new window. Print PDF. And I will add here print PDF. So if I refresh this, I will have a print PDF. Now, why does the cursor change? Only here it is the pointy finger, but here it's not. I can't click here. That's because of my CSS, I think. The nav element is too big. I forgot to put the CSS to the header. It should be position relative. Okay, now I can click this. So if I click here, it will open in the new window, but I get an error. And of course I get an error because I do not have, well, I get an error for multiple reasons. I'm trying to load the autoloader again from the wrong place and the database. But I should also get an error. Whoa. Well, it sends the header that, hey, this is a PDF file. But then I get the error. And the error will be, there is no fpdf.php. So, what should I put in the fpdf.php? Should contain code for the fpdf library. You can also use TCPDF or MPDF. Can you give me the terminal commands to download FPDF? I don't want to use Google. There it is. I don't think so. Is there a composer package? Yes, there's a composer. Okay, well, that would be the easiest. So let's use composer. Great. And then I have to add the vendor autoload here as well. And that should be everything I need. So let's try. If I refresh this page and I click print PDF, it does not work. Am I getting some errors? Oh, I didn't. I don't need that. I don't need to include the FPDF. Wait a minute. In here, I don't need to include this anymore because it will come from the autoloader. So now, if I refresh this, it still doesn't work. Get card number on null. This gift card. Oh. Because the find uses the card number, not the ID. So let's see where I use this find method. So this gets the card number to check the balance. So I will call this find by code. Well, it's called card number, so find by card number. And then here I use the gift card. So I could put here card ID, because when I actually use it, I already have the ID. So this I will call find by card number. And then I will add public static function find, just find. And this will get the ID. And it's going to do the same thing. Could I simplify this by making a public static function find by column, and then now it will say find by a specific column, and then here I can just return exactly like this. Man, this is such a great tool. Exactly. So this will find by the card number column, and this will find by the ID column, and this will find by any column I give it. So now this should work, and here I'm not referencing it anymore, and here should be card ID. And when I check the balance, then when I use it, I don't give it the card number, I give it card ID, and I will get the get ID. Is there a get ID? There is. So now this should work. And now let's go back here. If I click this again, I get a beautiful gift card. So here I have the card number and the balance is 0 because I picked one that has 0. This one has 15. Great. And do these others still work? So if I add a gift card of 765, I get 765. And I can print it as a PDF. And I can check some random one, card not found. Let's check this one. The balance is 765. And I will use 65. And then I go here, and then it's 700. And I print it, and it's 700. Great. Now, this is not a gift card, this is an A4. This is not what I want. Can you change the PDF so that it is the size of a credit card? So apparently the size of a credit card is 85.6 millimeters times 53.98 millimeters. Okay, let's copy these and go back to gift card PDF and replace these two functions. Actually, I just needed to change the construct. And let's print the PDF again. Now it's the other way. Can you make it landscape? I mean, just flip the numbers around, but yeah, so it just changed these the other way. And let's try. Now it doesn't fit. Now the gift card takes up 2 pages. Can you make the margins smaller on the PDF? Oh, auto page break false. Okay, so let's try this. Refresh. Great! Now we have a beautiful credit card. I mean, a beautiful gift card, size of a credit card. So what should we do next? I don't like the way it looks. Can I just ask it? Can you style the gift card PDF to make it more pretty? All right, let's see. It's drawing some rectangles. Seems like it only drew a rectangle. Okay, let's see what this changed. Refresh. Well, okay. That's terrible. That's terrible. I apologize. Do you have any specific requirements? Well, this is terrible. No. But now, let's finish up this video. So here we have this beautiful gift card app. Now, one thing I want to still do about the styles is the links are a bad color. So I will ask it, can you add a link style to the CSS? All right, let's see if this looks nice. That's pretty good. So now I can print the PDF and it prints a beautiful, well, an ugly PDF, but a PDF of the gift card. And we should probably do something about these gift cards that have a balance of $0 because why would you want to print those? But anyway, now we need a barcode. So let's do that. Can you add a barcode of the gift card number to the PDF? Now it probably needs to use some barcode library for this. And my computer has frozen. Too much AI. All right, my computer froze there for a while. But now, so I asked Chat GPT to add a barcode to the PDF, a barcode of the gift card number to the PDF. Now it started to do it, and then it created this barcode, but it didn't add it to the PDF, and I don't have a barcode class. So let's ask it, what is the barcode class? So, is it writing a barcode class now? I don't think this is a built-in PHP class. Or is it? I did not know this. Is it a built-in PHP class? Okay. But it uses this BCGD drawing. So let's copy this barcode class and let's create it here. Barcode.php. But then what are this one and What was the other one? What are these classes? So it's using this code for a barcode generator library, but it's not actually showing me how to use it. Can I install the barcode library with Composer? Okay, so I have to install this Composer package. So let's do that. Alright, now we should be able to use that. So in fact, I don't need this barcode class because this is part of that library. So I will delete this. And then here I should add the barcode to it. So I have to use these. Let me ask it again to change this piece of code to include the barcode. Can you change this function to add the barcode of the gift card number to the PDF? Alright, I got the code now, but for some reason my computer is starting to run very slow right now. I'm not sure why. Maybe there's too much AI going around. So let's try to add this barcode. And I should add those use keywords up there. And let's try this again. So let's print this PDF. I have an error. Let's check the logs. So it could not find this barcode class. I get an error, barcode class not found. Alright, 45 minutes of coding, or should I say chatting later, I now have a barcode on the PDF. So it first suggested some deprecated old barcode barcode reader library. And I tried to make it work, but it didn't work. And then I asked it to change to another library, and it did. And then I got it to work. So now we are using this library, and all we had to do is initialize the generator and then get the data of the barcode by this method, and we just pass it the card number here, and then we tell it the type of barcode, so it's gonna do the code 128 type of barcode, and then we save the barcode into a file temporarily because this FPDF image method wants to have an actual file. So we give it the file and the location and the width and the height. And then we delete the temporary barcode. And I did some changes here. I added some lines after the gift card header and then moved the code down a bit and styled the amount a bit. So now there will be the gift card text and then there will be the barcode, because I should probably add this into its own method, this add barcode. So it will add the gift card text at the top, and then it will add the barcode, and then it will move down a bit after the barcode. Well, I should include this in here because the barcode doesn't take any space according to FPDF. So then I have to move it down 12 lines so that the next text will start after the barcode image. And then I will add the code, which is the card number, and then I will add the amount. And I change the font for each of these. So now, if we go back here to the gift card app and we print some gift card here, it will open a PDF and it's beautiful. And now if I take my phone and I open the barcode reader here, then I can point to the screen and I get GOCEDZT2T0, which is the same thing as you can see on the screen. So now it works. Now we have a gift card with a barcode and it shows the amount. So now we can just go to check gift card when the customer comes to the store and gives a gift card, and then we have this code here. We just put it in here and we check the balance and we say, hey, you have $500 in there. And then if they buy something for $250, we can add it here and use gift card, and now it's used. And now if we go back here, there's only $250 left. And if we print it again, then now the amount is different here. Great. So now it works. And now I realized that in the beginning I was going to do it so that I can see all the times when the gift card is used. But I forgot to do that because, well, Chat GPT didn't do it. I blame him. So if you take a look in the top of this chat, you can see we created the gift cards table and then the transactions table, but we now did not use the transactions at all. But I think this still works pretty well, even though you can't see when it has been used. But it's pretty good. We could add a method to delete a gift card, or maybe remove a gift card from the list when there's no balance left, or something like this, or calculate the totals here. But I think this video is long enough right now, so I will finish it here. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and I will post some more. And if you want to see this code on GitHub, you can go to the link in the description and click there and you can see it. And maybe you can make some changes and make a pull request. So I will accept it if it's good. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.